was working for Shaw Cable and was unfortunately laid off. Help people feel better about their lives. I truly love getting a massage and think it feels absolutely amazing, so I wanted to give that back to absolutely everybody. Just the amount of knowledge that my instructors have and the different ways that they teach and the different ways that they do massage really help to enhance my knowledge base, as well as to help me learn a million different ways to do each individual thing. Practicum was amazing. We had lots of different opportunities to go out into the world, as well as have many different people within our own school clinic. So it really enhanced the knowledge that I got throughout class. Coming to CDI College really truly changed my life because it gave me the opportunity to have a secondary education, but it also gave me confidence, skills, knowledge to go out and pursue a career that I absolutely love.